Hello everyone, welcome to this 12th lecture of Network Analysis and Synthesis. So, in this lecture, we will be discussing transient circuit analysis. Student, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update and notification of my lecture. Today, we are going to discuss transient response of series RL circuit having sinusoidal excitation. In transient response of series RL circuit having sinusoidal excitation, we use AC source like Vm equals Vm sine omega t plus phi. This is a series RLC circuit with sinusoidal AC source and switch S. Okay. Now question is, consider a series RL circuit excited by a sinusoidal voltage source as shown in figure. The switch S is closed at t equals to 0. Find the response current IT. Now applying KVL, L di t upon dt plus R it equals to Vm sine omega t plus phi, or di t upon dt plus R by L it plus Vm by L sine omega t plus phi. You know, this is a non-homogeneous equation. The current IT consists of the sum of complementary function IC and particular integral IP t, that is IT equals to ICT plus IPT. The complementary function of equation 1 is ICT equals to K dot e to the power minus R by L t, and the particular integral of equation 1 IPT equals to e to the power minus R by L t integration sine Vm by L sine omega t plus phi dot e to the power R by L t dt equals to Vm dot e to the power minus R by L t upon 2j L integration sine e to the power j omega t plus phi minus e to the power minus j omega t plus phi in a bracket, then e to the power R by L t dt, or this is the integration. Okay. Now, so Vm upon R square by R square plus omega square L in a bracket R sin omega t plus phi minus omega L cos omega t plus phi. This can be reduced to a single sinusoid in the form IPT equals to Vm by R square plus omega square L C sin omega t plus phi plus theta, where C and theta can be determined as C cos theta equals to R and C sin theta equals to minus omega L. That is, C equals to under root R square plus omega square L square and theta equals to minus tan inverse omega L upon R. Substituting C and theta, the equation will be IPT equals to Vm by under root R square plus omega square L square sin omega t plus phi minus tan inverse omega L upon R. Therefore, IT equals to Vm by under root R square plus omega square L square sin omega t plus phi minus tan inverse omega L upon R plus K e to the power minus R by L t, since inductor behaves as an open circuit at switching. So I0 plus equals to 0. Since inductor behaves as an open circuit at switching, so 0 equals to Vm by under root r square plus omega square L square sine phi minus tan inverse omega L by r plus k. Now the value of k is this. So it equals to क्या हो जाएगा, this Vm by z sine omega t plus phi plus theta minus sine phi plus theta e to the power minus r by L, where theta equals to minus tan inverse omega L upon r and z equals to under root r square plus omega square L square impedance of RL circuit. The IT is plotted in figure. This is a sinusoidal waveform. This is the resultant current IT, and this is a transient component ICT, and this is Vm by Z, the steady state component IK. It is observed that if the angle phi, which represents the angle of the sinusoid, or at the time switch S is closed, has the value phi equals to theta minus tan inverse omega L upon R. The constant K will have zero value and the transient current ICT will vanish. In other words, if the switch is closed at the proper instant, there will be no transient. The first term of IT is the steady state current, which lag behind which lags the applied voltage by theta equals to minus tan inverse omega L upon R. And the second term is the transient current with decay factor e to the power minus r by lt, which dies out with time constant L by R. Okay, consider the example. A 50 Hz 300 volt sinusoidal voltage is applied at t equals to 0 to a series RL circuit having reactance 2.5 ohm and inductance 0.1 Henry. Find an expression of current at any instant t. Also, calculate the value of the transient current, the steady state current, and resultant current 0.01 second after switching on. Okay. Now first we can calculate impedance of RL circuit. Z equals to under R square plus XL square. So this will be 31.5 ohm, and the transient current ICT equals to K to the power minus R by LT. So this is, and the steady state current IP T equals to, this is the equation, substitute the values. So since voltage applied at T equals to 0, that is phi equals to 0 and tan inverse equals to 85.45. Okay. Therefore IT equals to ICT plus IPT. This is, and since I0 plus equals to 0, then K will be 9.49. तो फाइनल हमारी करंट क्या हो जाएगी फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन से 7.39 एम्पियर एट t इक्वल्स टू 0.1 सेकेंड पर. ओके, एंड कितनी होगी 16.88. थैंक यू.